Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G51 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open the contact list, for example using the dialer, and here we have to find the contact we would like to edit. So as we can see, all of them have got the photo, but no worries, just tap on the contact you would like to edit. Tap on edit contact and you will have to tap on this. Here you will be able to see the camera icon. So in my case, because I've got the photo currently set, I've got 3 different options. You will have 2, so you will be able to either take a new photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got a person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can select a new photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. So let me tap on it, and as you can see, here we've been transferred to all available folders, so all you have to do is to simply find the photo and tap on it. And as you can see, from this step we can adjust the size of the square, we can zoom in or out the photo, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area, this highlighted area in the square, is responsible for it. Here you can also rotate the picture if you want to. It's really up to you how you want to set it, and if you're happy with the results, just tap on save copy. As you can see, it immediately appeared in this camera icon right in the middle in the circle. So if you're happy, again, remember to tap on save in the right upper corner, and as you can see here, we've got our contact with our newly added photo. After that, after getting back to the contact list, the photo should be available also here. You will be able to see it. Unfortunately, probably it has been freezed or something, but after turning it off completely and coming back to the contacts, we will be able to see the changes. As you can see here, we've got the Ronnie contact. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Motorola Moto G51. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.